Hey guys, welcome back to Techogram. This is the fourth method of our series page replacement algorithm OPR, which is optimal page replacement. So let's get started. In this method, what you have to do, we have to replace the page from our reference string, which we are not going to use for the most amount of time in the future. So for the first three process, because there are three frames, write 1 and a new process arrives, so a P. So then again a 1, 2, and then for the third process, write 1, 2, 3 and a P. If you have not checked out the previous video, I suggest you to go check them out. It will help you to understand this video much better. So a new page with number 4 arrives. So what we have to do? So from this 1, 2, 3 page, we have to replace one of the pages which we are not going to use for a long amount of time. So you can see after the page, you can see the 1 is just used, the 2 is used after the 1, and the third page is used after a very long time. So we can remove this process. So write 1, 2, and instead of 3 write 4, and a new process arrives. So write now 1 arrived and 1 is already in our list, so no page replacement. So directly write 1, 2 and 4, and there is no replacement. And now the next page is 2 and 2 is already in our list, so directly write 1, 2, 4, and still no page replacement. Next page is 5. So you can see we have just used 1 after the 5, so we cannot remove this. And after the 1 we have used 2, so we cannot also remove this. But the 4 is used after 3 pages, so we can remove 4. So write 1, 2, and in the place of 4, replace it with 5. And because the new process arrived, write a P. Again, the next process is 1, so 1 is already in our list, so do nothing. 2, so 2 is already in our list, do the same thing, write as it is. And now the 3 arrives. So you can see that there are only 2 processes left, and 1 and 2. So we are not going to use 1 or 2 in near future, so you can remove whichever you want. So we can remove 1, so we'll remove this 1 and write 3 instead. So 3, 2, 5, and a new page occurs, so P. And now you can see 4. So we are not going to use this 3 and 2, but because we just have replaced the 3, we can now replace the 2. So write 3, and instead of 2 write 4 and 5 and a P. Now because there is only one process left and this process is already in our list, so write the same as it is. And now the total page fault is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the total page fault by using optimal replacement method is 7. This is how you can use the optimal page replacement in our page replacement algorithm. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have any question, comment, query or suggestion, leave it in comment box. Subscribe for more. Bye.